Welcome, here I've got VERNEE M5 and I'm gonna show you how to change picture size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo view. Now let's move to this button from the left at the bottom. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Let's focus on this settings bar. We are in the general settings from the left. At the center we have the photo settings, and here we have picture size option. When we tap on it, we can change it. We can pick these two formats or the quality in megapixels. And this is how to change this. Of course, I suggest you to keep this on the best possible quality, which is 13 megapixels. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.